Yeah, but it's different.
Right. So when I say I might be getting another laptop, I'm probably not, but you know, hoping, because I don't know the next time I'll get a new piece of technology after twins.
Are you camera shy? You don't want to talk now that you're on camera?
What camera? Oh.
Yeah, I don't see any camera. There you go. What happens if I play this back to you? Probably nothing good, right? Look at how nice the bird is. He's such a nice bird. He's a nice bird. That's about him, your feet.
Why you all over my grill?
He's a nice bird. I have to show everybody how nice you are. What a nice bird. Very nice bird.